In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access Workshop on Steam. If you are new to Steam Workshop, think of it as a central place where each supported game collects community-made add-ons, maps, and quality-of-life tweaks. The key thing to remember is that not every game uses Workshop, so you'll only see the option on titles that support it. Let's start inside the Steam app. After launching Steam, head straight to your library so you can view the games you own. Pick a game that you know supports Workshop content. You'll typically notice this because popular titles that embrace mods often highlight it clearly on their pages. Once you've selected the game, look at the center panel of the game's page, just below the large banner area there. You should see a button labeled Workshop. Click that. This brings you directly to the game's Workshop page, where all the community creations for that specific title are organized. From here, you can explore what's available, read descriptions, and get a feel for how the community expands the game. If that Workshop button doesn't appear, it usually means the game doesn't offer Workshop support. Or the developer uses a different system. Here is also another reliable route, especially if you are already browsing a game's community space. Open the game's page and go to the Community tab. This is the hub where players share discussions, guides, screenshots, and more. At the top of that community page, look for the Workshop tab. Click it, and you'll land in the same place as before, the dedicated Workshop section for that game. This path is handy if you prefer to start from community content or if you are exploring a game before deciding what to install later. A few quick tips to make this smoother. You'll need to be signed in to your Steam account and connected to the internet for everything to load properly. Workshop availability is per gram aim, so seeing it for one title doesn't guarantee it for another. The layout can vary slightly depending on updates. But the Workshop button in your library and the Workshop tab in the Community Hub remain consistent entry points. Once you are on the Workshop page, take a moment to review descriptions and compatibility notes, so you know what each item is meant to do and whether it matches your version of the game. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.